ready to break down borders and send money abroad stress-free. Today, we're demystifying international money transfers with WorldRemit using your Capitec Bank account, making the process smooth and simple. First, if you haven't already, download the WorldRemit app from your app store while search for WorldRemit and tap install. Once the app is downloaded, open it and sign up for a WorldRemit account. You will need to provide your personal details, including your name, address, and date of birth. Make sure all the information matches your Capitec Bank account details for seamless verification. Now, let's link your Capitec account. Tap on the Send Money button and select the country you want to send money to. Then choose your preferred delivery method, like bank transfer or cash pickup. Here's where Capitec comes in. When prompted for payment, select the bank transfer option. WorldRemit will then display their banking details for South Africa. Open your Capitec Bank app and navigate to the Pay or Transact section. Choose the option to pay a new beneficiary or add a beneficiary. Enter the WorldRemit banking details exactly as they appear in the WorldRemit app. Back in the WorldRemit app, confirm that you've made the payment through your Capitec account. WorldRemit will then verify the transaction. This usually takes a few hours. And that's it. You've successfully sent money internationally with WorldRemit using your Capitec account. Now you can effortlessly connect with loved ones abroad. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.